Everyone's talking about AI, but there's something else coming quietly. And it could shake the digital world completely. Quantum computing. But here's the real question. Will it break our encryption? Will all your passwords and bank data become unsafe overnight? Right now, your data is mostly protected using encryption. Think of it like a super complex math puzzle. Even powerful computers take years to solve it. That's why your WhatsApp messages, bank transactions, and passwords feel safe. But quantum computers? They play by different rules. They're not just faster, they think differently. Using quantum bits, they can process a huge number of possibilities at once, not one by one like regular computers. This means that a quantum computer in the future could break today's encryption in minutes. Not just guessing your password, literally unlocking systems meant to be unbreakable. Is it happening tomorrow? No, but it's closer than you think. That's why cybersecurity experts are already working on something new: quantum-resistant encryption. So, will quantum computing break encryption? Yes, unless we prepare for it. And trust me, the race has already begun. Follow this series if you want to understand cybersecurity in simple words, no technical jargon, just real knowledge for real people.